Hello everyone, it's me, Michelle. Welcome to my Black Pinups YouTube channel. So I am a little casual today, but that's okay. I have a day off from being a pinup sometimes. So this is an unboxing of Besame. Now I have not bought from them in quite some time. It's been a long time, actually. It's been quite a few months. Not even a few months. I think it was like late last year. So I finally am finishing up my collection. I will show you a tour of my vanity one day. But so this little beautiful box of goodness. Now I did order the I Love Lucy collection, so I'm really excited to get that. But for now, I'm going to show you what I ordered, and I'm also going to test out some of the looks. So let's get started. Alrighty, so the box is open. Let's see what I got. Oh, I forgot I even bought these. So I got the French Vanilla face powder. I believe that they are no longer doing the chai. I had asked customer service, and to my knowledge, that won't be continuing. They don't know when it will be back. So I have not seen it in probably a year or so. So it probably won't be back. We'll see. So this is their beautiful French Vanilla, and I am going to put some on. So I already have makeup on. I just don't have my eyelashes on because I'm being casual today. But I'm also going to be doing some eye makeup as well. So this is what it looks like. And for those of you that don't know how to do Besame, you just do like this. And quite a bit. And that happens. So I have their brush. I'm telling you, I'm a big fan of theirs. And so you take this little powder puff like that, and then you just put it on your face like so. And you look kind of crazy when you do it. And for me, I do it underneath my chin and on my neck, because I have dark spots and I want those to be corrected. So, alright, I just put it all over my face. So then you take this and you just dust it like so. I put a lot on my nose because I'm very oily. Oops. Kind of got my eyebrows. So there's that. And next up, I'll just put this over to the side. So the next step, I have this. This is their eyeshadow brush. I only bought one. I'm very excited. Unfortunately, they were sold out of the mascara set. I do have the mascara set, but the spoolie for the mascara broke off. Whoops. So I'm going to order another one. So this is from their Agent Carter collection that I got. And I'm just going to put some on. Let's see. I think I'll do this pretty Duggan. Is what it's called. Oh wow, this goes on really nice. It feels soft too. Wow. By the way, if you hear any chirping in the background, those are my birds. Norma Jean Baker and Frank Sinatra are their names. And if you see them flying in here, those are my birds. This is very soft. I'm loving it. It feels really good. So that's what it looks like. There's that. Goodness. got quite a bit. And then I got their dark cashmere powder compact. I love her packaging. It's amazing. I mean, look how beautiful that is. So this is a deep bronze that I got, and this is what it looks like. This is again another powder. Now the last one I got was cocoa, and that was too bright. So I got dark bronze. We're gonna see how this looks. Oh my gosh. Well, we'll see. It's so dark. Come on, I think I can save it. Let me see what magic I can work here. Now they are having 50% off right now, so I only got it for $14. So it's actually not that bad. Once I smooth it out. Hold on. So what do you think? It is dark, but it's really, it's a little dark, but it seems like the more I buff it out, the better it gets. So, but the one that I had before was too bright. So, I don't. So. This one was the dark, actually, and so you can see how bright it was. So I keep these on my mini because they're so pretty. Yeah, that was dark, and I'm like, really? So, I don't know. It's okay. I think if I play around with it, it'll be alright. We'll see. And if not, you know, it's 14 bucks, so if it doesn't work out, at least I have another beautiful compact that I can use. Now the last one that I have is Carmine, and this will complete the collection. So gorgeous as always. This is the color. Look how pretty that is. So let's use my compact, shall we? It's an orange color, of course, but all their lipsticks that I've bought from them, they've always worked out. So, of course, this looks super orange because I'm wearing a dark color, but if I were wearing a lighter color, it wouldn't look that bad. I've actually have worn Tango Red, and it's kind of the same color, but when I wear it with the right clothing, it just looks so pretty. So this is Carmine. This is how it looks on darker skin tone. So if you're brave enough to wear orange lips, go for it. But but I like it. It's just a matter of finding the right dress or outfit to wear that will match, that will offset it really nicely. Because I have worn something similar to this, and it looks really pretty. So I actually wore it to Viva Las Vegas. Tango Red. So I'm gonna work on the deep bronze, but after buffing it out, it doesn't look. I can't really tell. Yeah, I can't I might not use it all over my face, but again, I'll just play around with it and see if it's something I can use. And if it's not, then, you know, at least I have something, so. Alrighty, so that was my unboxing for Besame Cosmetics. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!